Good morning from laststandbrand.com. Well, it's potato digging time in Kansas. The soil's dry enough. We've got the potatoes identified. What we're trying to avoid is this. A fork and a blue potato. Well, it can be eaten in the next couple of days, but it sure won't store, will it? Well, let's see if we can produce a couple of potatoes here with not much. There's a dandy one. Oh, look. Here's a Hyundai one. Those are Yukon Golds, not the Peruvian Blue. Pretty nice string of potatoes there. Well, that's how it's done. Carefully, with a fork, never a shovel. You can avoid a lot of damage by using a fork, not a shovel. So there we have it. Digging potatoes at laststandbrand.com.